Yan. So, orientation nito is sunset. Under siya ng block 2. So, itong part na to, na portion na to ng under block 2, yan kabalay, is mga nasa 50% na yan. Within this year, possible ang turnover nito. And hello kabalay, another day, another real estate video. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa may Catim Phase 5 just to give you about an update sa ating mga ongoing construction. No, kung hindi ka nagmamadali na agad na makalipat or you're looking for non-RFO, so meron tayo dito sa may Catim Phase 5 located in Molino, Bacoor, Cavite. So malapit lang po ito sa MCX, SLEX, and also Evia Mall. So if you're looking for property on this area, so this is the right video for you. So before we start our quick checking ng ating mga available na mga inner unit and end unit na non-RFO, this is Kabalay, JM Balog. Tayo po isa accredited real estate sales professional dito sa Pilipinas. So Kabalay, I'm here to assist you during house tour, reservation, and if you're looking for property here in Cavite, Laguna, and Batangas, marami po tayong listing na pwede nyong maging option. But for today, let's check yung mga available na units dito sa may Catim Phase 5, Bacoor, Cavite. So, ito kabala yung mga ongoing constructions natin na mga unit, inner unit, and end unit. Yan. So, orientation nito is sunset. Under siya ng block 2. So, itong part na to, na portion na to ng under block 2, yan kabalay, is mga nasa 50% na yan. Within this year, possible ang turnover nito. And again kabalay, 6 months ang kanyang down payment terms. So, may available pa tayong mga inner units dito. Yan. Available pa to. And end units, available pa rin kabalay. So, kung hindi ka nagmamadaling makalipat, this can be your option. On the other side, dahil non-RFO to kabalay, as discussed from my other videos, wala tayong discounts dito or naka-promo dito na discount sa mga ongoing construction. Doon lang sa mga RFO or ready for occupancy na mga units. But for this one, you can have the developer is giving 2 AC, no? Upon turnover sa ating mga ongoing construction. So this one, available pa to, mga ongoing construction na to. 6 months ang down payment niya. Ito yung mga nasa 50%. Let's check yung other na units natin dito, mga kabalay. So this one, available din yung may mga available pa tayong mga units on this side na non-RFO or ongoing construction. Yan kabalay. So ang kagandahan dito, so once nag-house viewing tayo kabalay, pwede mong puntahan, bisitahin yung units mo, no, to check the progress. Or me as your agent will give you about the progress ng unit na gusto mong kunin. Yan. So yung mga available na mga ongoing construction on non-RFO end unit and inner unit. Orientation niya, block 2, sunset, and malapit sa gate and business center. So kung nakahanap ka ng mga units na non-RFO, this can be your option. So pag natapos to kabalay, ang orientation ng ang ating course magiging final turnover is katulad nito kabalay on my right side. Yan, so yung turnover natin, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. For inner unit, 60 square meter lot area, 106 sa kanyang floor area. For end unit, 90 square meter lot area, 106, 118 na kanyang floor area. So yan kabalay, ito yung mga available na actual turnover. And I mean the actual turnover na nalipatan na. Yan. So again kabalay, should you wish na mag-schedule ng house viewing, just drop your comment here, no? Or call me my WhatsApp and Viber, yan, to set an appointment at 0962-526-2044 for me to assist you for reservation, house viewing, and processing ng yung documents mga kabalay para makita nyo rin yung mga units natin na available dito sa may Catim Phase 5. Yan kabalay. So, ito pa yung other available na units, no? Meron dito na mas malapit pa kabalay sa may ating sa entrance na ongoing construction at business center. Ito Kabalay. So this one. Available. Yan. Ito na yung business center natin. Yan, Kabalay. Ganyan siya kalapit lang. No? So, dito yung pinaka-end part ng ating ongoing construction ng Block 2. This one. Kasi on this side is the business center na ng ating Cutting Place 5. Yan. So, again Kabalay, if you're looking for non-RFO, no? Na di ka naman nagmamadali makalipat, meron ka ring options dito sa Cutting Place 5. Like this one. Under ng Block 2, Sunset, 6 months ang terms niya, no? For bank financing. Yan Kabalay, available pa tong mga units na to. Yan. So, again Kabalay, for more details ng ating Cutting Place 5, sample competition, house viewing, and of course reservation, just drop your comment here and I'm here to assist you, no, for your house tour. That's the end of our tour dito sa ating mga ongoing construction here in Cutting Place 5. So I can do virtual viewing, we can set an appointment to discuss the details ng ating mga units here in Cutting Place 5. Again, this is Kabalay. As always, future lifestyle, future home, choose Kabalay. Thank you for watching and see you on my next real estate video mga Kabalay. Ingat po tayo lahat and have a great day ahead.